Africa, with its vast agricultural potential and growing population, is ripe for investment in semi-industrial food processing. This sector offers a unique opportunity to address food security challenges, create jobs, and boost the economy. Let's explore how. Traditional food processing methods in Africa are often labor-intensive and inefficient. This results in significant post-harvest losses, limiting the availability of nutritious food. Semi-industrial food processing machines can revolutionize this sector by increasing productivity, reducing waste, and ensuring food safety. Today, we're diving into the world of semi-industrial food processing machines, focusing on daily consumption foods that are vital in Africa. We'll explore how these machines can revolutionize food processing, making it a lucrative business opportunity. Welcome to Invest in Africa Now. If it is your first time here, our boss is Mr. Jami, and he is here to help you start your own automatic or semi-automatic industry today. We publish videos like this every week, so subscribe and click the notification bell so that you won't miss our educational video. Africa is rich in agricultural resources, producing a wide variety of foods like tomatoes, chilies, onions, plantains, and potatoes. However, many of these products are consumed fresh, leading to significant post-harvest losses. Semi-industrial food processing can help extend the shelf life, add value, and meet the growing demand for packaged foods. Several types of machines can be employed to process various food items. Grain processing machines. These include milling machines for grinding cereals like maize, sorghum, and millet into flour. Other essential machines are cleaners, separators, and dryers to ensure grain quality. Oil extraction machines. Africa is rich in oilseeds like palm, sunflower, and groundnut. Oil extraction machines can convert these into valuable cooking oils. Fruit and vegetable processing machines. Juicers, pulpers, and dryers can transform fruits and vegetables into juices, purees, and dried products. Meat processing machines. Mincers, mixers, and packaging machines can be used to process meat into various products like sausages, burgers, and canned meat. Packaging machines. To preserve food quality and extend shelf life, packaging machines are crucial. They can pack various products in different materials like plastic, foil, or paper. Semi-industrial machines strike a balance between small-scale and full industrial processing. They are affordable, efficient, and suitable for small to medium enterprises. These machines are perfect for entrepreneurs looking to start a food processing business without the hefty investment required for fully industrial setups. Let's start with tomatoes, a staple in many African dishes. With semi-industrial machines, you can transform fresh tomatoes into tomato paste, puree, or sauce. Key machines include tomato washer, ensures the tomatoes are clean and free from contaminants. Tomato crusher, crushes tomatoes into a fine pulp. Pasteurizer, heats the tomato pulp to kill bacteria. Filling machine, packages the tomato paste into jars or sachets. Next, we have chilies, used to add spice to many dishes. Semi-industrial machines for chili processing include chili dryer, dries fresh chilies to reduce moisture content. Chili grinder, grind dried chilies into powder. Packaging machine, packs the chili powder into bags or containers for retail. Visual, onion peeling, slicing, drying, and powder-making machines. Narrator, onions are another essential ingredient. Semi-industrial machines for onion processing are onion peeler, automatically peels onions, saving time and labor. Onion slicer, slices onions uniformly. Onion dryer, dries the slices to preserve them. Powder-making machine, converts dried onion slices into powder. Plantains can be processed into chips, a popular snack. The machines you need are plantain peeler, peels the plantains quickly and efficiently. Plantain slicer, slices the plantains uniformly for even frying. Frying machine, fries the plantain slices to perfection. Packaging machine, packs the chips into bags for retail. Finally, Let's talk about potatoes. Semi-industrial machines for making potato chips include potato washer, cleans the potatoes thoroughly. Potato peeler, peels the potatoes efficiently. Potato slicer, slices the potatoes uniformly. Frying machine, fries the potato slices to a crispy finish. Packaging machine, packs the chips into bags for retail. Investing in semi-industrial food processing in Africa can be incredibly lucrative. Here's why. Africa boasts diverse agricultural resources, providing a steady supply of raw materials. The increasing population creates a growing demand for processed food products. Processed food products have a global market, offering export opportunities. Many African governments are prioritizing agriculture and food processing, providing incentives and support to investors. Grain processing, hammer mills, for coarse grinding of grains into flour. Roller mills, for fine grinding and producing different flour grades. Huskers, to remove husks from grains like maize and rice. Parboiling units, to improve grain quality and nutritional value. Oil extraction. Expellers, for extracting oil from oil seeds using mechanical pressure. Solvent extraction units, for higher oil yield, especially for low oil content seeds. Refinery equipment, to purify and refine crude oil into edible oil. Fruit and vegetable processing, pulpers, for extracting juice and pulp from fruits. Pasteurizers, to extend the shelf life of juices and purees. Dehydrators, for drying fruits and vegetables to produce dried snacks or ingredients. Canning equipment, for preserving fruits and vegetables in cans. Meat processing, meat grinders, for preparing ground meat for sausages, burgers, and other products. Meat smokers, for producing smoked meat products. Vacuum packers, for extending the shelf life of meat products. To ensure the success of semi-industrial food processing in Africa, several factors need to be considered. Infrastructure, adequate power supply, transportation, and storage facilities are essential. Skill development, training programs for operators, technicians, and managers are crucial. Market access, establishing distribution networks and building strong brand identities is vital. Value addition, processing raw materials into high-value products can maximize profits. Food safety, adhering to strict hygiene and quality standards is essential for consumer trust. Research and development, continuous innovation is needed to develop new products and improve processes. There is a vast potential for various processed food products in Africa. Ready-to-eat meals, convenient and nutritious options for busy consumers. Infant and child nutrition, addressing malnutrition through fortified products. Snacks and confectionery, catering to growing consumer preferences for processed snacks. Exported products, high-quality processed foods can find markets in other countries. Packaging is crucial for preserving the quality of processed foods. Semi-industrial packaging machines include vacuum sealers, extend shelf life by removing air from the packaging. Sealing machines, seal bags and pouches securely. Labeling machines, automatically label packages for branding and information. The demand for processed and packaged foods is growing rapidly in Africa due to urbanization and changing lifestyles. Starting a food processing business with semi-industrial machines can be highly profitable. It reduces post-harvest losses, creates jobs, and provides affordable, quality food products to the local market. Securing financing is often a challenge for entrepreneurs in Africa, exploring options such as government grants and loans. Many African governments offer support to the agricultural sector. Development finance institutions, organizations like the African Development Bank, provide financing. Private investors, partnerships with local and international investors can provide capital. The demand for processed and packaged foods is growing rapidly in Africa due to urbanization and changing lifestyles. Starting a food processing business with semi-industrial machines can be highly profitable. It reduces post-harvest losses, creates jobs, and provides affordable, quality food products to the local market. Semi-industrial food processing machines offer a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurs in Africa. By investing in these machines, you can tap into the growing market, support local agriculture, and provide high-quality, affordable food products. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of food processing. Thanks for watching. Connect with us on social media and visit our website for more information on starting your own food processing business. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities of food processing. While the potential is immense, challenges exist. These include access to finance, infrastructure, skilled labor, and market access. However, with proper planning and partnerships, these hurdles can be overcome. Semi-industrial food processing is a promising sector in Africa. By investing in the right machinery and building strong value chains, entrepreneurs can contribute to food security, create jobs, and drive economic growth. It's time to harness Africa's agricultural potential and transform the food industry. By addressing these aspects, Africa can build a thriving semi-industrial food processing sector that contributes to economic growth, food security, and improved livelihoods.